Hello guys. Hey everyone. In my last video we talked about how to wear kaftan for different body types. Today I am going to share something more personal with you. The story behind the kaftan dress I am wearing right now and how I designed it and the process behind it. Before I start, I want to share a story about this dress. After I finished this dress, I was very excited to wear. So I was going to some art exhibition, so I wore it because it is an art exhibition and I love it. I was excited to see what people would think, and I think we all girls do, right? How we are looking and how people will take it. We want to look our best and get complimented. As I walked across few stalls and I stopped at a NGO stall run by a girl from Malaysia. She looked at my dress and said, I really liked your dress the time you entered inside, and it's different. I was so happy. And I said, thank you so much. And I told her the little bit of story behind my dress, because this dress is totally derived from my emotions or a state of mind at that time. So in a quote, I said I wear my emotions on my sleeve, and I wanted to show that through my craft. So this experience taught me that it's important to be yourself and do not be afraid to show your emotions, and do not be afraid to be different. The world needs more people like us who are willingly to stand out. So be stylish, be different. So let's not waste more time and let's start the design process. So this design has come up during the time of COVID, like everyone. I was stuck at home as a designer, being a creative person. The first thing comes to our mind to find an inspiration or come up with a concept. But this time I wanted to do things differently because I have time. I don't have to rush for anything. So this is just a passion project for me. So I clearly sit down and clear my mind and let my thoughts flow onto a paper, result, resulting in a design that comes straight from my heart. As you can see, the curvy lines in this dress represent the graceful flow of a water from a waterfall, while the seashell in the middle were inspired by beachcombing adventures of mine, and the long fringes symbolize the general movement of a water. And nature has always captivated me, so it's no surprise for me that this artwork combines element of waterfall and the ocean is in an abstract way, because I am a nature lover. Once the design was finalized, I traced it onto a cotton fabric which I already have. Then come the question of adding colors. As someone who loves embroidery, and I decided to use cotton thread for these artworks, so I picked up few blue threads for chain stitch along the curve lines, and basket weaves for the shells, and the satin stitch for the others. Colors like gray, pastels, green come to my mind as my imaginations guide me. So I do not want to restrict myself, like if the leaves are green, so I will use green. No, I can use pink, pastel pink, because is your imagination is nothing nothing basics or nothing which is there that you have to use it. No, you can use any colors. It's your emotions. You are using any object, any outline, any sketches, and you can use any colors. It just, you are letting yourself free to designs. So with each stitches, the artwork slowly comes to life, and it was meditative and fulfilling process while doing each stitches in and out. And this is how the entire artwork turns out. Okay, now let's talk about little bit about the silhouette of this dress. It is a short kaftan, or you can say a poncho style dress with small side slits in both the sides. To ensure comfort, I use double layered for this. So the top layer is a white cotton, and because it is see-through, little bit of see-through, so I used gray cotton as a line, because I do not want that white to be very white or stand out. So I want to just reduce the whiteness of the white fabric, so I use the gray cotton. So this is how it looks. I even added a pocket because I it's a priority for my designs. Whenever I design or I customized any dress or any pants or any outfit, I intend to use pockets because it's really convenient for myself. So here also I used one-sided slit pocket here. And many of my clients also, they say they want pocket because it's very convenient. For any occasions, you can just slip your phone or your card and you can just walk out. So sometimes you do not feel like to carry your bags. So this is the all about this dress. So this dress is a true representations of how inspiration can be found anywhere, and how important it is to approach the design process with an open mind. By letting your imagination run wild and incorporate your passion for embroidery or a print or anything can helps you, I was able to create a dress that is not only unique but also comfortable to wear, and I am proud to do this creation. So I encourage all of you to share your own design stories and let creative shines. I cannot wait to see how amazing things you can create. So it just have to believe in yourself. In conclusion, remember to let your imaginations and emotion guides you to create something truly unique for yourself. If you have any questions about the design process, feel free to drop them in my comment box below. I am here to help, and happy designing. See you in my next video. Thank you so much.